In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the slide time duration in Google Slides on your PC, ensuring your presentation flows seamlessly without any interruptions. Whether you're preparing for a hands-free presentation or simply want your slideshow to proceed automatically, adjusting the slide duration is a crucial step towards a smooth delivery. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your Google Slides presentation. Go ahead and launch Google Slides and find the presentation you intend to edit. This is your starting point before launching into any timing adjustments. Once your presentation is open and ready, it's time to start the slideshow. To do this, look towards the top of your screen for the View menu and select Slideshow. This action initiates your slideshow, allowing you to focus on setting those all-important timing preferences. As your presentation starts, notice the menu options appearing in the lower left corner of your slide. There, you'll find a three-dot menu icon. Click on this icon to access a range of settings critical for adjusting the timing. One of the most useful features you'll discover here is the Auto Advanced Slides drop-down menu. This menu provides a selection of time intervals for automatically advancing your slides. You can choose from numerous preset times. Such options range from 1, 2, or 3 seconds, up to 5, 10, 15, or 30 seconds, and even a full minute. Reflect on the pace of your narrative or speech, and select a duration that suits your presentation style best. Once you've chosen your desired time duration, make sure to check any final settings that might enhance your performance. For instance, ensure that the play button is hit, which effectively confirms and launches the slideshow with your new timing in place. This way, you can seamlessly transition from one slide to the next without any manual inputs, focusing your attention squarely on delivering an engaging and compelling presentation. Additionally, it's worth noting that you can tailor these settings further by adjusting the timing for individual slides if you find that certain parts of your presentation need more time for detailed explanation or audience interaction. To do this, simply select the specific slide from your slide list and navigate to the Transitions tab. It's here that you can manually set different timings for those particular slides, offering a tailored and flexible presentation experience. So there you have it, a systematic and thorough guide to setting slide time durations in Google Slides. By following these steps, you optimize your presentation flow, making sure each point is delivered precisely and effectively, capturing your audience's attention every step of the way.